Okay, so for those of you that have been watching at home, you know that I am leaving to go to Texas tomorrow for a couple days. And if you've ever been on vacation with me, you know that I way overpack every single time. This time, I don't really have that option because I'm flying Spirit, and I am so fucking broke that, well, first of all, I'm flying Spirit instead of Southwest, and second of all, I refuse to pay for any luggage. So because of that, I have to fit all of this stuff, shorts, skirt, bodysuit, underwear, socks, shoes, chargers, you know, all this crap, into this tiny tote bag right here. The dimensions that you're allowed on Spirit are very, very small. It's 16 by 12 by 14 or something of that nature. I know those are the three numbers. I don't know in what order they go. But either way, I have to somehow make all this happen. And I can tell you, I've already packed this bag and I know it's possible. So I'm going to kind of quickly just go over how I did it, because you might need to do this at some point. Not saying you will, but you might. So basically what I started with is I took my purse and I emptied basically everything out of it that I'm not going to need. There's already something in there, but nobody really needs to see that, so I'm not going to show that to you. But basically what I did is I took my makeup case right here, which I took all the makeup that I don't need this weekend out of. Then I just kind of stuck that in the bottom. And then I took my toothbrush and my toothpaste and stuck that in this side pocket over here to kind of be out of the way. My phone charger, my solar powered charger, which is amazing and you should own one if you don't. The charger for that, ibuprofen, deodorant, because can't be stinky in Texas, sunglasses, because it's sunny down there, my socks, my underwears, my hair straightener. Bet you didn't know I could fit a hair straightener in my purse, but I can. So, my hair straightener and my comb. I've been debating whether or not to put my makeup palette in the bottom of it. I was having a little trouble with it being on the side of the bag when I first did it, but for all intents and purposes, I'm going to leave it out so it's packed just like I did before. So yeah, that's basically what my purse ended up being. Then, what I ended up doing was I took my shorts, kind of folded them in half, folded them up as much as I could, stuck them in there too. Could stick my skirt in there, probably not going to. Fuck it, let's try it. Yes, I know the skirt's a little wrinkly right now. I don't care. It's tight enough when it's on my body that that will not be the case. So, gotta put this down real quick. But, folded it in half. Fold it in half once more. Wrap it up. And into the purse it goes. So at this point, zip that purse up, and it's full. I mean, I could put more stuff in there, but like my wallet could go in there, but the fact of the matter is, I'm gonna need to get to my wallet and my passport, so those need to stay outside of my purse. Basically, I take my passport with me whenever I travel, even domestically, because everybody's kind of got different IDs. So, but everybody knows where the birth date and everything on a passport is, so that's why I bring that. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to stick my purse in the bottom of this bag. So give me 1 second to do that. It's not the easiest task in the world, but it can be done. I know this because I've done it. Alright. So now my purse, with most of my shit in it, takes up about half the space in that bag. But there's still room. So at this point, I've just got my heels that I need to wear to the show, my makeup kit, and this shirt over here. I'm bringing my leather jacket with me, which is kind of in this pile of crap right now. But I'm going to be wearing that. That way I don't have to pack it as well. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to roll up my bodysuit for the show. I'm going to roll that up, and I'm going to stick it in one of my boots. And I'm going to stick my boots in here. Once again, if you don't know this travel trick, I've been using it since I went to Germany a few years ago. Fold everything up, and then you roll it, because it takes up a hell of a lot less space. And then, I'm going to stick it in this boot, as I said. Zip the boot up. Got that. So I'm going to quick just lay those on top of my purse. All over. Lay those on top of my purse. Then I'm going to stick my makeup palette along the side. Put my passport, which for whatever reason has a Dead Daisies tattoo in it, in there. My wallet is going to go right next to it. So it looks like that. And then all I've got left is my leather jacket, which I'm going to put on, wear to the airport. I really only needed outfits for Sunday and Monday, so I'm just going to rewear what I'm wearing to the airport tomorrow, which I have on right now, for Monday. And this goes on my shoulder. And we call it a day, and I'm within spirits shit.